It is a hot one here in Southern Florida today, but I also have a hot item for you. This is from StartRC, and I have to tell you, they supplied this to me to do this review, but I am so excited about it. Let me tell you why. Because Nikki and I, if you don't follow our Doug and Nikki channel, we do a lot of worldwide exotic traveling, and as part of doing YouTube and that kind of stuff, I bring so much equipment. In particular, I bring a zillion GoPros everywhere we go. And this is the first case that I've seen that is both customized for your GoPros, as well as has some generic space so you could customize it for how you need it. Let me show you what I mean. This is a waterproof case, as well as if you're a diver, it has the pressurization valve in there. I'm not going diving with the case, but just so you know it's there. And here's the first thing that I really love. I love these little straps to pick up the top layer. So let's look at this top layer here and talk about it. So if you just take a look at it, you can see there's room for a GoPro, the waterproof housing, selfie sticks, tripod accessories, that kind of stuff. Over here, you got room for 4 batteries, a light, as well as filters as options. So pretty much everything for a basic setup for your GoPro sits here. Additionally, they are customizable. You can see it's already got some pre-cut. If you're gonna put 2 housings in there, you could cut it out. You can adjust it further on your own if you wanted to, but I think this is about the most perfect setup for a GoPro or DJI Osmo, or even an Insta360 is gonna fit in there as well. We have a really nice strap if you wanna use a strap with the case, but here in the second level, this is what is like the customizable level. So look, here you have another room for a selfie stick, a nice big space for all those delicious attachments you have for your GoPro, as well as over here, you can put more batteries, chargers, dongles, all those kind of things, or you could just put more cameras. And furthermore, look, you can already see it's pre-cut out, so you can adjust it. You could take out sections. You could like take that section out, leave that one in, take the whole section out, just have it open. Completely customizable and completely perfect for all your travel needs, for you to be able to travel safely with your GoPro in a waterproof housing with all of your accessories and a strap, all brought to you by StartRC. And here's another little one. How cool is this? Just as a little value add item, you could put a cold shoe mount on both sides. How cool is that? That is a cool little plus. If you have an action camera and you're gonna be traveling around with it, you absolutely want this. There's a link here on the screen or down in the description below. Both of them work the same way. Neither one costs you any extra money. While you're down there, hit that hype function. Really important on YouTube right now. Please do that for us. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions about this, thoughts. Do you have any experience with cases like this? Which is your preferable camera? Do you prefer the DJI? Do you prefer the Insta360? Or are you still old school GoPro person? I can tell you I have all 3, but I want to know which ones you prefer. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.